Hello everyone and welcome back to TNV Academy. My name is Devarshika Nigam and today we'll be discussing a critical aspect of ISO 11607 that ensures the safety, efficacy and compliance of medical device packaging, documentation and traceability. Proper documentation and traceability are essential for maintaining high standards in the production and validation of sterile barrier systems. Importance of documentation in ISO 11607. ISO 11607 places significant emphasis on thorough and accurate documentation. This is because documentation serves as the backbone of quality assurance and regulatory compliance. It provides a comprehensive record of all materials, processes, tests, and validations involved in the creation and maintenance of sterile barrier systems. Without proper documentation, it would be challenging to verify that the packaging meets all necessary standards and regulations. Types of required documentation. There are several types of documentation required under ISO 11607. These include, but are not limited to, material specifications, detailed descriptions of the materials used, including their source, composition, and properties. Process documentation. Record of the methods and procedures used in the packaging process, including forming, sealing, and assembly. Test reports. Results from various tests and conducted to ensure the integrity and performance of the packaging, such as seal strength and microbial barrier testing. Validation protocols and reports. Documents detailing the validation of equipment and processes, including installation qualification, operational qualification, and performance qualification. Change control records. Documentation of any changes made to materials, processes, or equipment and their impact on the final product. To ensure consistency and reliability, ISO 11607 requires the validation of equipment and process through IQ, OQ, and PQ. Installation qualification. Confirms that equipment is installed correctly and according to manufacturer specification. Operational qualification. Verifies that the equipment operates according to predetermined criteria and specifications. Performance qualification. Ensure that the process consistently produces a product meeting all specifications under real-world conditions. Traceability systems. Traceability is another cornerstone of ISO 11607. Traceability systems allow us to track every component and step in the packaging process from raw materials to final product. This capability is vital for quality control, ensuring that every batch meets the required standards, regulatory compliance, demonstrating adherence to regulatory requirements during inspections or audits, problem resolution, quickly identifying and addressing issues by tracing back through the production process, implementing effective traceability. Implementing an effective traceability system involves several key steps. Batch and lot tracking, assigning unique identifiers to each batch or lot of materials and finished products. Detailed record keeping, maintaining comprehensive records of every stage of the production and packaging process. Integrated systems, using software and digital systems to integrate and manage traceability data efficiently. Supplier documentation, ensuring that suppliers provide detailed documentation and traceability for the materials they supply. Best practices for documentation and traceability. Adopting best practices for documentation and traceability can significantly enhance compliance and efficiency. Standard operating procedures, SOPs. Developing and following SOPs for all documentation and traceability activities. Regular audits and reviews. Conducting regular audits and reviews of documentation and traceability systems to ensure accuracy and completeness. Training and education. Providing ongoing training for staff on the importance of documentation and traceability and how to properly maintain records. Using technology, leveraging technologies such as electronic documentation systems and barcode tracking to streamline and improve traceability. In conclusion, documentation and traceability are fundamental components of ISO 11607 that ensure the integrity, safety, and compliance of medical device packaging. By maintaining thorough documentation and implementation robust traceability systems, we can uphold the highest standards in our industry, facilitate regulatory compliance, and ensure the safety of end users. Thank you for your attention and joining us today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.